Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your life. Friends, my today's video is about very beautiful, very pretty, heavy floral embroidery bunches, heavy hand embroidered flower bouquets, and these embroidery patterns could be used in a variety of ways. We will discuss it one by one, and I bet that you will be extremely amazed to hear these ideas and suggestions, and you will be stunned to think that these ideas never came to your mind and you were only seeing them or taking them or considering them for only one purpose, and that is how to use these very beautiful pretty hand embroidered flower bouquets as hand embroidery floral easy design patterns for beginners only. No friends, you can use these very pretty and very easy hand embroidered floral bouquets for a number of ways. You can use them to make hoop arts like wall art sceneries, for dress designing in a number of ways, for all over kurti design, for the small motifs onto the frock yokes of your baby shirts, baby dress designing, and for youngsters, teenagers, you can make these very pretty embroidery flower bunches onto sweaters, knitted cardigans, ponchos, and for a number of variety of reasons you can design your mobile covers, glass covers, and different type of mini to medium size accessory covers, for designing the cushion covers, pillow covers, for designing your table mats. And these very pretty embroidery floral bouquets could be used to make mask embroidery designs, and these masks would be unique and creative in its way, because these heavy floral embroidery bunches could be used for making full face coverage masks, not the similar and smaller ones which I used to make. And you can use these embroidery floral bunches to make hand embroidered pendants, hand embroidered rings, bracelets, and even hand embroidered earrings. So these were the very creative and unique different number of ways how you can use these very pretty flower embroidery bouquets, and these are entirely for beginners because they are very easy to make, and they are totally based on 1 to 2 stitches, one stitch for flowers and one stitch for leaves. So stay blessed. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you really like this video. We will soon be back with you along with some new design ideas.